Today I'm going to be reviewing HiStrips breathing strips, and guys, these are awesome and they look really cool too. They come in a bunch of different colors. These use medical grade materials, hypoallergenic, and very easy to apply. You just put it over basically the crown of your nose, and these last up to 72 hours. I've honestly been using these every single night when I sleep. Oh my gosh. Every time I put it on, it is so amazing. Me and my wife have been using these every night when we go to sleep, and I even let my wife try these for the very first time, and I recorded a reaction and she thought they were pretty crazy.
Wow, that's crazy.
This increases 40% oxygen airflow and honestly just opens the nose up so much. I cannot explain to you how amazing this is. Sits over the nose so perfectly and just pulls it very nicely. This is gonna have a sweat-proof material on here too, so it's gonna be perfect for athletes who are gonna be using this for running, working out, basketball, pickleball, tennis, baseball, football, any kind of activity. Or if you're like me and you just wanna use these for bedtime and you can sleep better. Sometimes when I roll on my side when I'm sleeping, I can't actually breathe that great. So whenever I put these on, it's a game changer, and I can't even go to sleep without these anymore. But they do come in colors like camo, black, pink, this nice blue color. You can barely feel it on your nose at all, and that's one of the greatest things that I love about this product. These are amazing and a must have. You guys gotta try these out, add these to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.